Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to turn some old unwanted clothes into K-pop inspired fashion. These ruffle trimmed wash denim shorts are by Natasha Zinko and it's meant to have a fun and upcycled look. BLACKPINK's Rosé wore it for their How You Like That comeback, while ITZY's Cheon also wore it for their most recent comeback, Not Shy. They both styled it with crop tops and I love both looks. Now let's get into the materials that we will need for this DIY project. You will need needle and thread, measuring tape, ruler, scissors, water-soluble pencil or sharpie, and some old clothes. I'm using a pair of black jeans I've worn for years. They don't look too great in the leg sections, but the top part still fits very nicely. You can also use some old shorts if you want, just be mindful of that. Whether you're using pants or shorts, use ones that are form-fitting. If you're using pants that are too wide, you run the risk of making the shorts look like a tutu. We don't want that. There are many layers of ruffles in these shorts, so we want to keep the fabric thin. The original ruffles are lots of different plaid and flower pattern layers. I only had one plaid shirt in my unwanted pile, so I picked that one and added a white top and a royal blue skirt. I know we all have a pile of t-shirts in our closet that we're never going to wear, but I wouldn't recommend using more than one t-shirt for this project since stretchy materials tend to curl up when you cut them. So unless you have the patience to iron out the ruffles frequently, you will once again run the risk of making these shorts look like a tutu. Now that we have all the materials ready, we will start marking and cutting. First, I'm going to cut these jeans into shorts. If you already have shorts, you can skip this part. Put your jeans on and measure from the waist of the jeans to 2 inches or 5 centimeters below your bum. This will be your starting point. Then find the crotch of the jeans and measure 2 inches or 5 centimeters from the crotch and draw a line across like so, and repeat on the other side. Now take out your scissors and cut alongside the lines and we have the base of our shorts. For the ruffles, you want to first measure the width of your thighs, since the width of each piece of layer will be dependent on this measurement. But remember to always leave an inch or two for room for error. Once you cut, there's no going back. If you have too much fabric, you can always trim it down. So the circumference of my pant legs is 22 inches or 56 centimeters. And because we have to fold to get a ruffle effect, I'm going to multiply 22 by 1.5, which is 33 inches in length. The width of the ruffle pieces will be around 5 inches or 13 centimeters. I want 5 layers of ruffles in my shorts, each a little bit wider than the one on top, to create this ruffle layered look. This means that the top piece is going to be the smallest and the bottom piece will be the largest. Once we have these drawn out, it's time to cut. Don't worry if it's not a perfect rectangle, we can always fix it later. Now comes the fun part. I'm going to find the midpoint of the side and draw a line to just under the crotch. This will be the line we use to attach the ruffles. Lay your ruffles out and make one normal stitch, then fold the ruffle piece over and do another stitch. Stitch, fold, and stitch. And keep repeating. The stitching doesn't have to be perfect. Now's the time to make mistakes since the top layer is the only layer that has to look great. When you finish each layer, do trim the top portion for any unevenness. It's easier to do this now than at the end. We are almost done with the layers. Pay extra attention when you're sewing on the last layer since we want this to be as perfect as possible. You've probably had lots of practice by now. Once you have all the layers on the shorts, lay it flat and trim the bottom for any unevenness. If the top layer is completely covering the lower layers, you can definitely trim them down. We want each layer to be visible. And voila! Let's see what it looks like on. The shorts are super comfortable, but I did spend a lot of time sewing on the layers. I would also have liked to have different colors that I can work with since this does look a bit more patriotic than I expected. But I'm definitely happy I was able to recycle some old clothes and make something new out of it. Overall, I give this a 4-star recommendation. So try it out and let me know how yours look. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see me make another K-pop inspired outfit. Bye!